Understanding your skin tone and your skin type is very crucial for developing an effective skincare routine. This will help you when making skincare product decisions, deciding on skincare ingredient that is best for your skin type, as well as skin toning ingredients in case you want to tone your skin. In today's video, I will explain everything you need to know about your skin tone, your skin type, and also recommend the right skincare ingredients that will be suitable for you based on your skin type and your skin tone. Hey, my name is Sandra, your skincare coach. If you're seeing me for the first time, please hit the subscription button. Let's dive into the topic. Skin tone refers to the surface color of your skin, which can range from fair to dark and is influenced by factors like genetics and sun exposure. This understanding helps you in choosing products and techniques that are appropriate for your skin's specific needs, whether it is addressing hyperpigmentations, dryness, or other skin concerns. Skin tones are generally categorized into 4 types. We have fair skin tone, we have light skin tone, we have medium skin tone, and then we have dark skin tone. These categories are based on the surface color of your skin. The first skin tone, which is dark skin tone, refers to the natural color of your skin, which is characterized by a high concentration of melanin, the pigment that is responsible for skin color. Individuals with darker skin tone typically have more melanin than those with lighter skin tone, which is leading to darker pigmentation. Darker skin tone is further divided into 2. We have dark and we have deep dark. Dark looks a bit lighter compared to deep dark. Just look at the 2. Then secondly, we have medium skin tone. This skin tone is further divided into 2. We have chocolate and we have caramel skin. Caramel is generally lighter and warmer than chocolate. Chocolate skin is a richer, darker brown, often a warm undertone, while caramel is a lighter brown. Finally, we have light and we have fair skin tone. Both are the lighter end of the skin tone spectrum, but they have subtle differences. Fair skin tone is the lightest and always look pale and burns easily under the sun, while the light skin tone is slightly darker shade than the fair skin tone, which is often more balanced with warm undertone. So here is a fair skin tone and here is a light skin tone. Can you see the 2? Let's move to skin type. Your skin type isn't just a trend, it's the foundation of your entire skincare routine. Knowing your skin type is like knowing your shoe size before shopping. If you get it wrong, nothing fits. There are 5 basic skin types. We have normal skin, which is number 1. Normal skin is characterized by a healthy balance, neither too oily or too dry, and typically exhibits a smooth texture, minimal pores, clear and even complexion. It is considered the golden standard for skin type, with less likelihood of sensitivity or breakouts compared to other skin types. The second one is the dry skin. Dry skin type is characterized by lack of moisture, resulting in rough, flaky, or tight feeling. It can also be more sensitive to environmental changes and may appear dull and ashy. Dry skin may also feel itchy and can be more prone to irritations, redness, and infection. The third one is oil skin. Oil skin is caused by oversecretion of sebum, an oil substance our skin needs in order to function properly. Too much of this sebum can cause acne, and too little can cause dry and cracked skin. The main characteristics of oil skin include shiny and often has breakouts. Then the fourth one is combination skin. Combination skin means that there are some areas of your skin that are dry and some other areas are more oil. For those with combination skin, the T-zone, look at this picture. The T-zone, the chin and the nose will have oil on them, while the cheek and every other area will be looking very dry. The last one is sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is a skin type that is more prone to irritation reaction than other skin types. It is characterized by a heightened reactivity to both internal and external factors. It means that your skin can become easily irritated by things like skincare products, environmental factors, or even stress. How to know your skin type? For those of you asking me how to know your skin type, this is a simple experiment you can carry out at home to know your skin type because you can do it yourself. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, something that is very gentle and mild. Don't apply anything afterwards. No cream, no toner. Wait for 30 minutes. Now grab your tissue and your mirror. Check the results. If your face is feeling tight all over, you are likely dry skin. If your skin is shiny, feeling greasy, you have oil skin. If your T-zone area is feeling oil, here is feeling oil, here is feeling oil, here is feeling oil, the other places are feeling dry, you have combination skin. If your face is just okay, no oil, no dryness, it is just okay, that means you have normal skin. And if afterwards you're feeling itchiness and redness, that means you have sensitive skin. Skincare ingredients that will be suitable for you based on your skin type. So if you're buying skincare products next time, focus on these ingredients. First, if you have dry skin, look for hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides. Avoid harsh exfoliants. It can irritate your skin or damage your skin barrier. For oil skin, go for lightweight gel moisturizers, salicylic acid, or niacinamide. These ingredients will help curb excess oil production on your skin and give you a more matte skin, more matte finished skin. Avoid oil-based products. They will clog your pores. Combination skin. Use products that will balance your skin. Balance is very important here. Target areas differently if need be. So the product you use on your skin, you can just use product that targets different areas differently. For sensitive skin, stick to fragrance-free calming ingredients like oats, chamomile, aloe vera. This will help calm your skin and pamper your skin. Finally, for normal skin, maintain your skin with gentle, balanced products. Next, I'll be suggesting skincare ingredients that will help you to either brighten up or lighten up your skin the right way. Here are best brightening and lightening ingredients depending on what you want for your skin or the exact skin tone that you want. The first one is vitamin C. Vitamin C keeps your skin bright and clear by blocking pigment productions. This will stop your skin from forming marks after trauma. Example like post-acne pigmentation, which gives the appearance of dull, uneven complexion. It also helps to prevent skin from developing the photo damage and skin spots caused by sun exposure. The next ingredient is glycolic acid. Glycolic acid works by breaking down and removing dead skin cells in the top layer of your skin. As the dull, dead skin cells are removed, they are replaced by fresh new ones. This makes the skin appear clearer and brighter. And over time, it helps to fade the appearance of scars or hyperpigmentations on the skin. The next ingredient is alpha-arbutin. This is a safer yet still very effective alternative to hydroquinone. So if you're afraid of hydroquinone, you can use alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin is a natural ingredient that reduces skin melanin production. It is particularly effective at fading the appearance of dark spots left behind by sun damage or breakouts. So if you're battling acne scars, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, alpha-arbutin is a go-to. The next ingredient is kojic acid. Kojic acid works by inhibiting the production of melanin, offering a safer alternative for achieving a more even skin tone. The key benefit of kojic acid is that it helps to reduce the appearance of dark spots on the skin and hyperpigmentations. This will result to a more even skin tone, making it highly sought after in skin lightening treatment. And it also has some antifungal and antibacterial properties. Then the next ingredient is licorice extracts. This lightens hyperpigmentation, soothes your skin irritation, and it also helps to calm redness, itchiness, swelling, and making it beneficial for sensitive and irritated skin. This particular licorice contains antioxidant properties and it helps to balance oil production on the skin. This is particularly beneficial for oil and acne prone skin people, contributing to a clearer and more balanced complexion. The next ingredient is mulberry extracts. This lightens the skin and helps to inhibit excess melanin production. It contains antioxidant properties, helps to soothe your skin and enhance your skin radiance. The next lightening ingredient is glutathione. Glutathione lightens the skin by inhibiting the production of melanin. It helps to detoxify the skin, improve your skin texture and elasticity, and it also helps to contribute to rejuvenating the skin formulation, promoting a youthful and radiant complexion. The next one is azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is a multifunctional skincare ingredient known for its effective antimicrobial properties. It targets hyperpigmentations by inhibiting the production of excess melanin, making it the best choice for skin lightening. The last ingredient is lactic acid. Lactic acid is derived from milk and well regarded for its exfoliating and skin lightening capabilities. It offers a softer approach to improving skin texture and reducing hyperpigmentation, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Now that you know your real skin type and skin tone as well as the right ingredient selection, your next step is picking the right products. I've got videos breaking down moisturizers, cleansers and serums for all skin type. I'll be posting it soon, so watch out for it. Subscribe and turn on notification bell so you will never waste another money on wrong skincare products. Drop your skin type in the comment section and I will reply product tips just for you. See you in my next video. I love you and bye.